Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to enable new widgets features in Windows 11, build 25324. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Now, download the Vive tool from the link given in the description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator and execute the following commands, one by one. After executing the commands, you will need to update the Web Experience Pack from the Microsoft Store library to have the new Widgets UI work. After updating the Web Experience Pack, restart your PC in order to see the changes. After restarting the PC, you'll have the new widgets board with 3 widgets rows, also new animated icons. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.